Mr. Chairman.
Reaction, Councilor Mendoza.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Is it still possible to locate it near the transmission area, NAPCOR? Dead area naman to, if that would still be possible? Or is that the only, that site so identified, is that the only feasible one?
Per communication with Casareco, Mr. Chair, as well as the City Engineering Office, that's the only feasible area that we can give. Considering if we can take a look at the site development plan, all are already situated, Mr. Chairman.
Reaction, Councilor Mendoza.
Given that, Mr. Chair, I have no objection, just an assurance that that substation will not pose danger to passers-by, considering that it is right at the entrance of CCN and other facilities in that property, Mr. Chair.
We will communicate accordingly, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, former Councilor Ray Andantoy. Any other comment? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Former Councilor Ray Andantoy. The rules are back and forth. Next item, please.
Next item is a letter from Mr. Ramon Florendo, MEPO Head, submitting their compliance and progress report on NCPM operational concern as requested by the Sangguniang Committee on Market Affairs.
Yes, Councilor Doc Jesse Albios.
Yes, Mr. Chair, this particular matter is pending before the Committee on Market Affairs, so may I move that this be referred to the said committee.
Any second? Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. Next item, please.
The next is a letter from Maria Socorro Gayanilo, City Treasurer, submitting their comments and recommendations on the proposed ordinance mandating the establishment, maintenance, operation of parking facilities as part of basic services and facilities in Naga City.
Councilor Omar Buenafe. Shall we refer that to the Committee on Transport?
Mr. Chair, I believe this is pending with another committee. An ordinance mandating the establishment, operation and maintenance of parking facilities as part of basic services and facilities in Naga City.
Who is the author of this proposed ordinance? So you are saying that you are not the author of this proposed ordinance, creating